Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. A number of flights out of the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James have been cancelled or delayed due to the bad weather associated with Tropical Storm Grace. A notice from MBJ Airports, the operator of the Sangster International Airport, says Southwest Airlines cancelled all flights out of the airport. American Airlines and other carriers have posted notices of delayed departures and arrival. On to some other news. Jamaica spent more on imports and earned more from exports for January to April 2021 compared to the same period in 2020. In a release today, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says $1.74 billion was spent to bring in goods during the 4-month period. This was a 2.2% increase compared to the same period in 2020. A 26% jump in the import of fuels and lubricants largely contributed to the movement. Meanwhile, total exports for January to April were valued at $501.5 million, a 16% improvement compared with the earnings in 2020 for the same period. Now, the uptick was due mainly to increased exports of bunker C fuel oil to the USA and alumina to the Netherlands. On to some company news. Jamaica Producers Group is reporting net profits of $774 million for its second quarter ended July 3, 2021. The company earned $378 million for the same period in 2020. Revenues saw a 36% improvement, amounting to $5.9 billion for the 3-month period. Chief Executive Officer of Jamaica Producers, Jeffrey Hall, says the company's management is mindful that in the short term, inflation, supply chain shocks, and economic uncertainty due to the COVID-19 pandemic will present general business challenges. Despite that, Mr. Hall says the company will maintain an aggressive investment program. During the second quarter, Jamaica Producers completed the acquisition of a 50% stake in Geest Line Limited, a United Kingdom-based firm which operates a fleet of ships that move refrigerated cargo as well as industrial and consumer-based goods between the Caribbean, South America, and Europe. On to currency. Authorized banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $154.19. The Canadian dollar is trading at $123.56. It's costing $212.82 for the pound and $182.64 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 762 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 47 points. Among the winners were Express Catering, Paramount Trading, Kingston Properties, Dolphin Cove, and iCreate, while on the losing side were 138 Student Living Jamaica, Blue Power Group, Mayberry Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, and Jamaica Producers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news right after the break.